Hey everybody, what's up? This is Crypto Cody and I'm so excited to do another video for you guys. The reason why I'm so excited is because we're going to be talking about probably one of the largest partnerships that we will see in 2019, resolving in probably one of the most lucrative cryptocurrencies of this year. It is NEO partnering with Ontology. So let's dive into this, and then after this I want to talk a little bit about the market and what's going on with just everything with the government. It's crazy, guys. Here we go. All right, guys, so here we go. So we're gonna hop into it. So NEO Smart Economy, or at NEO_blockchain, for just recently tweeted something that is unbelievable. This is really exciting news. Basically what they said is breaking news, to everyone. Building a foundation for the next generation of internet. NEO and Ontology are partnering up to develop a global cross-chain platform. For more details, keep on reading over here. So, just want to kind of dig into this article really quick. It's really awesome. NEO and Ontology to leverage respective strengths to build an open cross-chain platform. This is going to be huge, and I believe it's going to result in very lucrative coins with Ontology and NEO. I really believe that for this year. And just to kind of sum it up for you guys, basically NEO will be focusing on developing protocols and components to support a full spectrum of digital assets, while Ontology will continue to build a future proofed decentralized identity framework. So these two companies coming together is going to just build so much strength between the two. And again, like I said, just resulting in, I believe, both these coins that are attached to these particular companies is just going to make it very lucrative this year. When I say lucrative, I mean probably going back to its initial high and beyond for both of these coins. So that's really exciting. And also what this is going to do is this is also going to take away the arguments of which one is better, NEO or Ontology, NEO or Ontology. You guys have heard these arguments on and on and on and on. And what's going to be great about this particular partnership is now people are going to be focusing less on that and more on, okay, great, now these two companies have come together, we can just continue to build the decentralized applications and just utilizing this supercomputer to be able to do that. So this is really, really awesome. I guess kind of a cheesy way of putting it, it is kind of like KFC and Taco Bell and how they had a joint store together. I mean, they're under the same brand, but they were bringing in more business and strengthening their franchises by joining together. And you know, I mean, for those of you who don't know what KFC and Taco Bell are, they're basically two of the largest food franchises in the world joining together, you know, many years ago to kind of give themselves more strength and more marketing. And when you have customers walking in with the intentions of getting a taco, they might get a little bucket of chicken too at the same time, you know? So basically you're seeing these joint partnerships are just only strengthening these companies. Just like now how NEO and Ontology are partnering is pretty awesome. All right, guys, so we're going to hop into it. If we go to the coin market cap and we just click on NEO, this is crazy. It's doing really well. It's in the top 20. It's ranked 16. The price action on this thing is unbelievable. It's done very, very, very well. It's sustained quite a bit, and its total supply is only 100 million. Now, guys, here's the thing. I want you to understand something. When you see something for only $12.74 and has the kind of sustainability that this has had, 100 million for total supply is unbelievable. This is an amazing price, an absolutely amazing price. And the reason why I say that is because if you go down to check out what this thing has seen for all-time highs, almost $200 back, you know, in 2018 of January, almost $200, guys. This is crazy. So this basically means that this thing could easily, potentially 15 to 20x once we go back up to the $800 billion total market cap. And I believe that it will, and I believe it will go even further than that. And the reason why I believe that is because of its recent partnership with Ontology. All right, guys, so let's hop into the coin market cap on Ontology. I want to encourage you guys to go back and look at one of my previous videos. Actually, when I first started this YouTube channel, I actually did a video on the Ontology protocol, and I would really encourage you guys to watch it. I still stand behind it all. You know, I might get a couple of crappy comments from this, but I personally like NEO more than Ontology for a number of reasons. One being it's been around much longer. Number two, they've developed a lot of dApps. They've done just very well for themselves, especially with their partnered crypto asset Gas. And there's just a lot of great things that NEO has offered, and just a great community behind NEO. I think that the coin NEO is actually much more lucrative, honestly. I think that it has the potential of, for investors, has a greater potential to invest in NEO than you do have to invest in Ontology. However, with that being said, because of this partnership, NEO has added just an intrinsic amount of value to Ontology, and vice versa. Now, I personally think that NEO has added more value to Ontology than Ontology to NEO, but that's just my opinion. But what I'm excited about is that now Ontology has, what we like to call, for the marketing aspect of things, has more strength now for its protocol and for the company and everything that's going to be doing. So the total supply currently right now resting at 1 billion ONT. It is now a rank 25 on the coin market cap, which is very good. Anything in the top 100, in my opinion, with a total market cap of 200 and not even 300 billion, guys, is anything within the top 100 is doing great. Let alone being in the top 50 is pretty awesome. So Ontology's done very well in that regard. If we want to take a look at some of the numbers, as you can see, there's plenty of exchanges that Ontology trades on, which is really awesome. But let's check this out really quick. So currently right now, from its initial launch, we are down 64% on Ontology. Now that is a good thing. I like that personally, and the reason why I like that is because that just goes to show that there's a lot of potential opportunity for growth. And the fact that you can grow anything above 50% of your initial investment is very awesome. So I think we're resting at a good place. Again, guys, buying the red, selling the green. So we're resting at a good place right now as far as investing in it goes from an investor standpoint. The all-time high, $11.18 to the USD value back in May, and it's currently resting at 92 cents. That's amazing. So, NEO, you're looking to 15, possibly 20x. With Ontology, you're looking to possibly 10 to probably 13x, going back to our initial high of about 800, somewhere between 7 and 800 billion on the total market cap. So that's my personal prediction. When that's going to happen, I don't know. We'll see. We have a lot of things going on with the government and just a lot of crazy things happening. But guys, I guess just to break it down, I personally think that both NEO and Ontology will definitely 10x for sure in the future once we see a total market cap above 600 billion. So that's what I believe. And I think that, for you to invest in either one is perfectly fine. I think that they both now working together is going to just create more strength, as I said before. So I think I'm excited about that. And guys, just as a reminder, I'm no financial advisor. I don't really know what is going to go up or down. I wish I had a crystal ball so I could tell you all, but the reality is that you put money into this, please be responsible for your own financial actions, as we all should be. This video is solely for entertainment purposes only, but I do love cryptocurrency and I love investing. I'm an investor, a businessman, so this is just my passion and this is what I spend a lot of time doing. So I'd love to share my thoughts with you, and I would appreciate you guys sharing your thoughts with me as well. So, contrary to all of the negative talk with congressmen and women in North America, in other governments such as China, the courts have declared Bitcoin legal in China as a virtual property. So this is crazy. China's been so up and down on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as being, from practically trying to ban it and saying it's illegal and used for dark web crap and never going to be good for the general public, to now they're actually labeling it a virtual property, which is awesome. This is the kind of stuff that you guys want to see. So this is just a reminder, guys, how awesome it is that we get to be in a industry. The cryptocurrency sphere is just such an awesome industry to be in, because not only, it being decentralized, it's not to one specific government. There are hundreds of different countries out there that are taking on different opinions and how they want to approach Bitcoin. And guys, this just goes to show that Bitcoin is still the king of all cryptocurrencies and will probably remain, I believe, heavily will remain the top cryptocurrency in the world. And I think it's pretty cool that, in spite of all this stuff going on in North America, we have China in a big way doing some stuff. However, in North America, in the United States of America, there is a lot of congressmen and women who actually support Bitcoin in a massive way. But that is for another time in another video that I will be explaining more about that. So anyways, guys, please leave your thoughts and comments on this video and hit the bell notification. Like this video, please. It would mean the world to me. I want to put out more videos. Let me know what your thoughts are on the partnership of Ontology and NEO. and maybe throw down some stuff that you'd like me to put out for you guys. I really appreciate you all. You guys are an awesome community to be a part of. Let's keep growing cryptocurrency, guys. Have an awesome day. Crypto Cody out.